Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to another video. Blender shortcuts can help you save a significant portion of time when you're 3D modeling. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, knowing these shortcuts will definitely speed up your workflow, so grab a notepad and let's get started. Let's get started with the basics, the viewport. The more efficiently you can navigate around your 3D space, the faster you can create. Numpad 137 gives you a quick view from the front, side and top respectively, super handy when you're trying to align objects and make sure that they're straight. Numpad 9 switches to opposite view, for example from front to back. Numpad 0 instantly switches to the camera view, perfect for checking how your final scene will look through the camera. Pressing Ctrl Alt Numpad 0 sets the camera's view to being the current viewport view. But what if you don't have a numpad? No worries, you can go to Edit Preferences Input and select Emulate Numpad. This way your standard number keys work the same. Pressing Z will also allow you to easily change the scene's render mode. Now let's talk about manipulating objects. This is where you'll spend most of your time, so mastering these shortcuts will be essential. Use G for grab, S for scale, R to rotate. These are your bread and butter for moving, resizing and rotating objects. Combine these with X, Y or Z on your keyboard to constrain the action to a specific axis. For example, G plus X moves the object along the X axis only. Double tap the axis key like G plus X, X to move along a local axis of the object. Holding Shift and pressing an axis key will move the object on all axes apart from the key that was selected. When using the rotate keybind, typing a number will snap the rotation. For example, RX90 will rotate the object on the X-axis by 90 degrees. Use Shift D to quickly duplicate a selected object, great for when you need more of the same. Ctrl C and Ctrl V copy and paste your selected objects or elements just like in any other application. Shift A brings up the Add menu to quickly add new objects like meshes, lights, cameras and more. Moving to the Edit mode, this is where you'll be doing a lot of your detailed modeled work. Let's talk about some must-know shortcuts here. Using numbers 1, 2 and 3 will switch between the vertex, edge and face selection modes. Alt-click selects all connected vertices, edges or faces in a loop, a massive time saver for selecting rings around cylinders or loops in a mesh. Ctrl R adds a loop cut. Also using your scroll wheel you can increase or decrease the number of loop cuts. Press E to extrude, probably one of the most frequently used tools in modeling. Just select your face or edges and hit the E to pull them out. Press M to merge vertices, perfect for cleaning up and optimizing your mesh. Select a vertice, edge or face and then press X. You can then delete or dissolve the selected element. Use V, E or F for faster application. Now, a few other handy shortcuts that you'll find yourself using often. Ctrl Z to undo, because let's face it, we all make mistakes. Ctrl Shift Z to redo, to bring back anything you might have undone by accident. Press H to hide a selected object, and Alt H to unhide everything. Control Space maximizes the current viewport, excellent for when you're wanting to concentrate on a single editor. And there you have it, there's some of the most commonly used and most useful shortcuts in Blender. If you think I missed any, drop them in the comments because caring is sharing.